Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am here to introduce to you guys UNiceHair's newest product. This is their new wear and go wig that is 100% glueless, no glue, no spray, and it is super secure. This wig is super beginner friendly. It's so time efficient because it takes like 30 seconds to install. Not to mention you guys, it's breathable on your scalp because of their breathable wig cap, and it also saves your edges because you do not need any type of product to install the wig and keep it secure. So I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing to show you everything that came along with this wig. UNiceHair sent so many goodies along with this wig, it is insane. Alright you guys, so here is the wig. First of all, look at that lace you guys, just so you know that lace does come pre-cut and it also comes pre-plucked. As you guys can see, they even carved out baby hairs for you. So you can literally take this wig out the box and just go ahead and install it. Like I said before, it is a wear and go wig. And if you're bad at cutting lace, this is the perfect wig for you. Now this is the breathable cap that I was telling you guys about. That way your scalp could breathe while it is under the wig. You also have the combs and the adjustable elastic band for a fully glueless wig install and additional security, and as you guys can see, it is a curly wig, which is perfect for the summertime. So let's go ahead and jump on into this wig install. So I'm showing you guys the elastic band once more. I'm also going to tighten the elastic band. That's the first step you want to do to make sure the wig is fitting securely on your head. This is the silicone base that is around the wig cap as well. That is actually to help the wig fit a lot more comfortably on your head. That way nothing is pricking you, nothing is bothering you while the wig is on. So just so you guys know, the lace in itself is a 6 by 4.5, and basically what that means is that it is a closure wig, but it's giving you a lot more room. That way you can style it a lot more differently, and it's still going to look like you have a full frontal on your head even though it is just a closure. So again, this is Unice's newest product, so they really upgraded their curly wigs. That way you can actually have a wear and go option, which is perfect for the summertime because summer is right around the corner. And I don't know about you guys, but where I live at, it gets super humid, so wear and go, throw on and go type of wigs is always a plus for me. So the wig does come pre-cut, but once you throw the wig on, you're really going to see how it looks on your head. So I decided to cut off just a little bit more lace. That way it wasn't looking too flappy in the front, and it just helped it look a little bit more natural on my head. And just so you guys are aware, I did bleach the knots off camera as well, but I did not pluck the lace at all because the lace came pre-plucked, and I really liked how they defined the hairline for you, so I did not have to do any additional work when it came to that. Once I finish all of that, I'm just going to add some foundation on that lace just to make sure everything blends in seamlessly with my skin color. Okay you guys, so she is given. I love me some curly wigs, especially a glueless curly wig, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do is go in section by section with my wax stick and my hot comb. I will not be using the hot comb through the curls. You don't want to do that because you don't want to damage the curls, but I really want the top of the wig to lay flat. That way it doesn't look like I actually have a wig on my head. Makes sense? Now I'm sticking with the middle part today, but being that this is a 6 by 4.5 lace, you have a lot of room. So if you want to do a side part, you want to do a side swoop part, you want to do a cute little mini half up half down, you actually could do that with this wig, so you have options. Okay, so both sides are laying flat. You guys can see the difference, right? I really hope you can. Now it looks like a lot more believable, you know? So again, I'm showing you guys that this is completely glueless and sprayless because I'm not using spray either. And as you guys can see, when I put that lace back down, it just blends in perfectly. It looks like this is my hair, and that is what you want. So now it is time to style the wig, you guys, which is going to be 1, 2, 3. All I'm going to do is use some water. I like to drench the hair with water first before I finger detangle, and then I will also use my brush to just further define the curls in itself. Okay, you guys, both sides are complete. So this is how the curls look when pretty much all of it is still 100% wet. But let's talk about this hair for a second. First of all, the hair did not have any tangling or any shedding for a curly wig, okay? That's number 1. Number 2, I love the fact that this wig is completely glueless and I did not even have to use spray to secure anything. So it took me 30 seconds to install it, okay? And the lace is giving super natural. As you guys can see, I'm running the comb right under the lace and it just blends in beautifully. Also, being that this is a glueless wig, they provided you with additional security. So you have the adjustable straps, the combs, and the adjustable elastic band, not to mention the pre-cut lace and the pre-plucked lace as well. So this is a super beginner friendly wig, and again, it is perfect for the summer. So I will have all the information listed in the description box down below. I really hope you guys see the benefits in this wig as well. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to UNiceHair for this beautiful wig.